Hello everyone, this is Brandon Garrett from Snow Garrett Wealth Management with our November 2015 Economic Update. In this video, we'll talk about some of the economic events that influenced markets last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. October was generally a good month for stocks as it recovered some ground after a turbulent September. Let's take a look at a few of last month's major events. Third quarter earnings season kicked off in October and the news was fairly lackluster. Out of 253 S&P 500 firms that had reported in, profits were up just 2.4%, while revenues were down slightly by 1.4% over the third quarter of 2014. Now, what does that tell us? Well, it tells us that U.S. companies are still dealing with a lot of headwinds from issues like weak global growth, a strong dollar, and volatile oil prices. Now, keep in mind that these are overall results. If we exclude the struggling energy sector, total earnings would be 4.7% on 1.3% higher revenues. There are also a lot of individual success stories from companies that have achieved great results despite the challenges. As financial professionals, our job is to help our clients find the success stories. In other news, the Federal Reserve's Open Market Committee met again in October and surprised no one when it voted to hold rates stable. However, the official statement told investors to hold on to their hats because a rate hike might come as early as December if the economy stays strong. But our first look at third quarter economic growth showed that gross domestic product grew a paltry 1.5%. Now, this is just a preliminary report, and economists will revise the data several more times. However, we can see that growth slowed sharply as U.S. businesses cut back on restocking their warehouses. Will weak growth cause the Fed to hold back on rate hikes this year? It's very possible. However, many economists expect growth to pick up again in the fourth quarter given the underlying strength in the U.S. economy. So it could come down to a coin toss for the Fed. We'll keep you updated. That's it for our November economic update. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 817-550-6750. We'd be happy to talk to you.